In today's video, we are going to find out exactly how much energy we are going to be needing to fill this 1,500 liters tank. And of course, we're also going to find out how long it's going to take. Now, the pump we are using, that's the submersible pump, is 0.75 horsepower. But surprisingly, as you're going to see in the results or in the meter, you're going to find out that it draws more than that. I don't know why. So if you know, maybe you let me know in the comment section below. Now, in my previous video, kind of my comeback video after 8 months, I did show you some stuff that I'm going to be using going forward on this channel, including the wind turbines, which I'm still going to be doing. This is the DC power meter. That's what it's called. And of course, you saw it in my last video. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. There you see it powered and you're seeing the figures. This meter is what we are going to use to find out exactly how much energy is going to take us to fill this 1,500 liters tank. The first thing we are going to be doing is to reset the meter. So that way we start the energy from zero. This is very important. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to reset it to zero, because once you forget that, it means your result is not going to be accurate. Now, the next thing we're going to look out for is, now that it has come to zero, we can see that the power, even though I've not turned on the submersible pump, is 63.1 watts. So that is something to note. And now that I've turned the submersible pump up, you can see that everything that is drawing from the battery is 1,180 something watts. So I'm going to be explaining exactly how this concerns our experiment. So you can see the energy is going. We just started the experiment right now, and you can see that the energy is climbing little by little. This is the 5 minutes mark, and of course you can see that we're already at 105, 106 watt hour in 5 minutes. Now, I did mention the 60 watts that we saw earlier. That 60 watts, to get a better accurate result, we'll have to subtract it from this 1,176 that we're seeing on the screen right now. So this is the 10-minute mark, and at the end of the day, we are at 204 watt hour. So every 5 minutes, we're going to be checking what the results are, and of course, when it gets filled, we'll now find out exactly how long it took. So you can see that the power that is drawing has remained constant. It's still on 1,100 and something watt, 1,170 some, 1,180 some. So that is where it's been. So 15 minutes mark right now, we are at 307 watt hour. So that is what we have drawn from our battery just to fill the tank. I've watched a lot of videos where they tell us the theoretical values, but in today's video we are going practical, which is a better way. And at the end of the day, we are at 20 minutes right now, and the power we are pulling from the battery at this point is 403 watt hour. Now, I did mention that this pumping machine I'm using is 0.7 horsepower. So what that means is that it's pulling twice more than the expected power, because 0.7 horsepower is supposed to be somewhere around 600 watts. So we're at the 25 minutes mark right now, and we pulled 500 watt hour thus far. I also mentioned that the meter was about 62 watts when we started. So at the end of this video, I'm going to leave us with a sheet on the accurate results of the experiment that we are doing right now. So that way we'll subtract the 62 watts from it. So we have 27.25 minutes. So that is the end of the experiment. Our water is full, our tank is full. So at the end of the day, we used 544 watt hour to fill the tank. That gives you an idea of what you are going to be needing to pump water to fill your 1,500 liters tank. So if you have a 3,000 liters, 5,000 liters, you can easily estimate, assuming we're living in the same place, because the depth of your submersible is also going to matter in this experiment. So these are things that maybe if I have the opportunity, I'll be able to check it up down the line. In a future video where I'll be experimenting with maybe wind turbines and solar panels, I'll be able to let us know exactly maybe how many panels or how many watt solar panel that will be able to pump this water on a daily basis, and if it is more, how many panels we're going to be needing. So these things are very important, because when you are trying to set up your solar system, you can easily factor these things into the equation. At the end of the day, that will help you to maximize the power that you are getting from your system. If you like content like this, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know about that. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys and catch you on the next one.